Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the pYanodons. Pain. It's Ghostfight Gamer. Okay, so here we are. I have made some things there down the bottom. Pelt, all that. We need saline water. We need, cellulose. Yeah. What the hell? Yeah, cellulose. Well, there it is. Yeah, we need it for that. So I was looking at this recipe, and it is a 1-to-1 because, you know, when we went into Hell Mod and we looked at this thing, and I went, wait a minute, 5 and 5, and then it went bing, bing, bing. Oh yeah, it's a 1-to-1. So it needs 4 limestone every 10, and this is 2 every 5, which is 10. Yeah, so we can just direct feed that, which is awesome. So we're going to do 3 inserters like that. And then we're going to take this and flip it like that. I think this will work. And then we'll get our water going into this thing. Bam. We'll get the pipe in between there. And we're golden. Power was getting out of control because I was grabbing stuff, you know, copper, iron, all that, stone brick. So everything is running. One of the things we'll have to do is do a power assessment, you know, basically just punch down a bunch of power to get through all this this time here. I don't know what power is available ahead. I know this pi alternate energy thing is what sparked this kind of, well, everything got rewritten and rebalanced and moved around and stuff. It's a lot better. The flow is much better. It's really tough, but it's not tough where you're like, this is silly tough, you know? So, but yeah, power is something I don't know what's coming down the pipeline here. And I'm okay with that because I want to be surprised, you know. Okay, so this is the last component. I can't believe I forgot to click on that. Well, it's fine because, you know, it's another thing that we got to do. We'll go ahead and copy these, and I think this will work. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, this is insanity. Why? Just why? Okay. Oh, I picked up. How did I get that inserter? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you know what? I'm okay with that, actually, because this takes 10 stone. What? How much of a belt is this? Oh, let's look at that, too. Oh, 0.34. All right. That's not bad. Wow, I thought it'd be worse. These are slow. So maybe we'll get away with 1 inserter. Let's pull that out. We'll try, you know. Can always put it back in. That is a lot of damn... Oh, it's a lot of... That's huge. All right, let's put the power poles in. And then I can just drag the machine down, because it's easier to... 6 of one, half does the other, right? Either machine or power pole. Okay. Oh, water... We'll have to... I'll run that over. Let's get the pipe... Get it piped up. Okay, that's done. Now... That's our saline water. Our stone belt's here, so let's just get that started up because it's really slow. And, one of the things that is going to happen. We will have... You know, I'm going to do this. Since we have the... iron and copper recipe with the jaw crusher and also the quartz, we'll be able to do the prioritization. Oh, you know what? It's fine. Of the stone coming out of these secondary processes or primary processes to the secondary, which is smelting. So the stone will get eaten up by this, if we're running circuits, that is. But, and then I might want to do landfill after this process somewhere. So we'll prioritize this. And if stone, well, let's see here. Yeah, we'll have to do some belt priorities in order to get the stone bled out. Maybe it'll be on the front end. I don't know. We'll have to see where it makes sense. But we could do well, we can't do circuit network. But yeah, we'll have to do belt priorities. And if a belt is being used, we want to purge out the stone from those 2 processes, or 3 processes: quartz, copper, and iron, the crushing. And when we get, so that stone, I don't know, we might have to have a belt strictly for that, because each one is going to produce, I think, a belt. And that's if it's being used full throat, which, we might. I don't know. Plan for the future, right? So we'll have to do that. All right, now this is going to be, so we've got that. Okay, zinc and copper. Different, where you have to run separate belts. So this is zinc and copper here. And then the cellulose will have to be here. And I think we'll run the cellulose here. We need 5 of these, so let's go ahead and punch these down. 5. That's a weird number. Okay. Oh, how come it doesn't have the recipe? Oh, it does it? No, it doesn't. Oh, that one's not set. Okay, never mind. There, now they're set. Okay. I plopped it down and forgot about the recipe. Oops. Did I screw that up? I did. We'll put that in there. And that there. Oh, you know what? That's why. Because there's a little pipe there that's part of the graphic. Okay. Oh, I forgot I should be building it. Now we'll flip it that way. And then we'll go right up against that one there. I don't mind pulling these up. I really don't. I work better if I can see what I'm doing. How is this gonna go? Perfect. Okay. Bonk. Oh, well, let's just see. I think we can do this. Yeah, this will be fine. Yikes. Okay. We'll go right about there. And then we'll pull the water up straight up from wherever. I did mention that I have explosive excavation. And that is kind of a reward for getting up to that point, using that, because obviously it's using explosives, which is more petrochem, and we're not, at there. You know what? I can just leave it here. Hey, what do you know? There we go. Just leaving it here. Yeah. I don't have to move it. Very cool. All right. Yeah, so anyway, eventually I get sick and tired of water, and I'm not doing water trains. That is just silly talk. Can you believe it? Will these span? Oh, you know what? Well, let's see. Let's do that. Yeah, water trains to me are just silly. I'm not going to do water trains. Now, with LTN, it's not too bad. If you need a little bit of water, because you have empty trains sitting, waiting in a hub, in a yard, and then the yard dispatches those and go get water. Okay, it's like a bot. The bot's empty, sitting in a Robo Port, just like a train. So the train is like a Robo Port, and the hub or depot is a Robo Port. The train is the bot, and it deploys it to go get something, dump it off, and come back to the Robo Port. I think you can assign things to specific yards so it doesn't get out of control. Oh, this is stone. Yeah, let's get the stone going. I forgot. That's what I was going to do. Here we go. Okay, yeah. Oh, give me them splitters, baby. We are right on the brink. I'm going to do a bunch here. It's 0.34, so in order to get a half belt, we watch this thing and see how they're doing. Yeah, see that one stalled out just a tad, so I'm going to go a little more. That way if one is stalling, I know it's good. That's fine. Okay. All right. Oh, zinc and copper. Let's knock the zinc out now. And wait. Oh, that's way up here. Holy cow. Okay, copper is here then. We'll knock out. Oh, this is in my way. That's fine. We'll have to go further down. Further over, I mean. With the inserters. I could draw these further down, but I want to stay in line with this stuff here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll have to go around this. Or I could go this way, but that's fine. I'll fix it later if anything, if it bugs me. We'll do 4. And now we need the zinc-a-doodle. First time we're using zinc in this playthrough. Hey, look at that. I couldn't have planned it better myself. Bam. Come on, Copper. Where are you? I see it. Okay. Okay, here we are. And we'll extend that down there. How many? We got 5 and 5. Yeah, okay, cool. All right. So now it's just a matter of water. Wow, that's kind of spotty. Maybe it'll get better here. Where's my... Oh, yeah, water for this, too. How much does this take? Now, these are very slow. It's a 20-second craft. 100 water, you know, that's not much at all. Can we... Well, I'll pull this down here. The water on this is... Yeah, that's pretty low, too. 10-second craft, and we've got... a 20-second craft. Okay, now... I guess we're going straight down, huh? Offshore pump. Get that baby going. I really like this feature where it flashes. You can see the item that you just made and where it is. Because stuff shifts around in your inventory all the time in this game. Getting new items, things like that. Okay. I'm watching Neebs Gaming. I've always been a fan of them for a long time, since like 2016. They're like animators. They do all kinds of crazy, cool stuff. But they do super cuts where they put all their episodes in one thing, and in one like 8-hour, like a whole series, I should say, in their and then what? Oh, he's having and so it's like an 8-hour supercut, they call it. And so what is going on here? Oh, wood! You son of a gun. Well, that's fine. We'll get the wood in here. That's kind of concerning, though, actually. Oh, I got wood right here! Ha 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 ha! Alright, so we're gonna have to do this. Anyway, so they're, they got the thing they call it a supercut. And they, it's a whole entire series, and you can watch, you know, like you can revisit their experience all at night, all in one shot. I really like that. But so they're playing Subnautica, and I'm like, oh man, I really want to play that game. It looks like so much fun. So I am, you know, that's on the list. I have it on the list, you know. Okay, I hope. Yeah, we're gonna do the zigzag. So, yeah, maybe someday, you know, I'll pick it up. We can go that way. I figure the more... This is 10 wood. 7, yeah. Okay. And I'm just gonna go... Oop-a-doop-a-doop. There we go. What? Oh, I got this. I ain't gonna cut it. That is not gonna cut it. Oh, boy. Well, guess what we're gonna do? Thanks for your service. Okay, that's now gonna be a belt of wood. And let's see where this is going. Okay, and then you're coming out now. You are gonna be Shift R there, and then you go there. Okay, that'll keep it going. That's not a full belt of wood, is it? No. What the heck's happening? Yeah, it somehow got on the other side there. All right, here we go. Hey, we got cellulose. Very slow. Oh, exporting. Gosh darn it. Wait a minute. Oh, I know what I did. I screwed up. I drug them down. But the good thing is I know which ones they are by looking at the underground there. Cellulose. Let's see what our power's doing. Oh, don't even look at it. Don't look at it. All right, just don't. Hi. You are working, aren't you? Oh my god, this is glorious. Taking that one. I'm gonna cut this belt right here. How many do we need? Oh, I need the printed circuit boards. Oh. Alright, we'll flow it. Oh my god. I mean, I know the base is probably in for a... Yeah. I'll take them. How many do we need for this thing? A chip shooter. Wait a minute, what? Oh! I could have made this... Oh, you're kidding me. What? I could have made this last episode. But we didn't have the capacitors, so we're okay. Why is it that... What? They changed this. It used to be you needed... I thought you needed the circuit board. Oh my god. Let's watch it work. Oh. Let's put all that crap in there. Air cores? Oh! Where are the air cores at? There they are. There it is. Look at it. It's inserting it on the board. Oh, no way. It's got the little Got him. What? What? Why is that 100? Oh my god. I don't know what's running. Oh. Let's just look at them and go by. Look at that. This is a first for me. Now, in the last pYanodons I played, I had the first two science packs, but they were different. They weren't as bad as the, like the second one is pretty in depth, you know, with the stopper. But the first one was okay. You know, it was, you know, you did it. It wasn't too bad. The second one was kind of crazy because you had to do the alien. It was like a bunch of stuff to get the. It was like a science pack that needed lab equipment or whatever. So it's, I don't know how they've changed it completely. It's much more interesting now. Then I was working on the circuit board and I had almost automated. I didn't automate the vacuum tubes and all that stuff, and I was about to, and I just gave up on it. What's going on here? Oh, the resistor. It's got a long way to go, but we do have a power issue, so there's a lot of stuff running. Mel, what? What's going on here now? Okay, they're running. It's just a matter of time. How much does this kick out? Only one. Interesting. Alt mode, oops. Okay. well, yeah, what's going on with this thing now? That should be... I put it in hell mod, you know. 4 or 5. Huh. Well, I'll have to keep an eye on this and see how it goes. All I care about is that I got the stupid circuit board. That's all I care about right now. Oh, dear. Okay. Let's box them up. I don't know what they stack to. Oh, dear. Can I have it? Can I have... Yeah. I have circuit boards. I have them. Huh! What episode am I on? I don't know. 19, 20? I don't even know. Yeah, that took a while. Oh, I'm pretty happy with the progress, though. Alright. It kicks out 5 at a time, too, which is really nice. Okay, you're sitting there good. Oh, the coke is a problem. I'm not burning it off quick enough, I don't think. So, I don't know what I'm going to have to do about that, you know? As you can see here, the boards are out. So, well, the treated boards. Treated wood. It's blipping, you know, it's blipping out. Because every time, you know, we get a creosote, that moves. So every time we burn coke, this moves. And yeah, so 53. Yeah, it takes a while. And to think that I need 10 of these things to get a massive amount of coke. Holy cripes. I did overbuild this, so, you know. But I thought, what the hell, why not? You know, I wanted to check on some stuff here. Oops, I hit Alt, I think. Yeah. Oh! Give me the stuff back. Okay. I wanted to check on the tar pit and the shale oil here. Let's go over here. Whoa, pipes everywhere. This is what's... pYanodons gets crazy with pipes. 325,000. So that's raising... Is it? I think it's going up. 713. Holy moly. Man, I'm glad I got a tailings pond for that. So we'll have to, you know, keep an eye on that stuff. I like this. I don't know. Yeah, see, this is running like crazy right now. See? That is nuts. So this is a massive power, you know, eater. Oh, and then, oops, I'll leave that green. I ran the ash belt from that steam generator there that we need for the clay. We'll go down this way. Oh, you know, I got this stuff here. Let's pull this out of here. Because this is idle power. This too. We'll pull that out. I want to keep it there because I might need more tree farms. But let's pull this mess up here. Okay, good. Oh. And maybe I'll do a case here with all the little things that I might need. Petri dishes, the moss. I'll keep the machinery on me. That can go. Yeah. Just kind of clean up a little bit. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Let's go over here. This might be a bad idea, going through here. See, I already hit something. Look at the wood. It's getting utilized. Oh, there it is. I found it. So I got a priority system here. Get this fixed. Okay. And this is the ash from that coke processing, or burning that we're doing. I need to burn it, you know, because... I'm a little worried because, well, they're pulling off of one side, and I'm worried that they're gonna, the other inserter is gonna kick in, and I won't be able to get rid of the ash 100%. They're gonna export onto the. Oh, you know what? I had a double-sided belt. I put the this thing here, the chute, and it does double-sided out. You know, so that is what happened there. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. I mean, other than power farting out. Low power. Yeah, so I'll have to, yeah, like I said, I'm going to do an assessment on that, and I'll let you know what I come up with. Ooh, stacks to 50. Okay. Well, we're going to need quite a few. Let's... Oh, my God. What's the first thing that I want to do? I wonder what... Look at it. It's beautiful. I have a sweater. I beat the game. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I am happy though. Holy crap. Oh my God. Look at what we can do. We can do that. I'm sorry. Oh my God. That's been a long time coming. 98. Hey, Windows 98. I'm gonna grab 2 to make 100. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah, I think there's something wrong here. I mean, they're cooking along. Well, you know what? Once it buffers up, maybe it'll be okay. Alright. Yeah, first thing was splitters. Oh, and then, let's do this. Let's go here. Yeah, you're going there. You have a special spot there. I'll put that one there. And this is definitely something I'm setting up on the hotbar. There you go. Very cool. Now, what? Pray tell. I'm just like so excited. Oh, God. Nanobots. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We have nanobots. There we are. We have nanobots. Second thing. We've been suffering too long, and now it's time to live. All right, let's see what else we've got here that we can play with. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, let's take a look here. I know quenching. Oh, that's gonna be something we might have to do later. Quenching tower. Huh. Oh, I think that's for the shale oil, maybe. I don't know. Ah, no. Okay, evaporator. How come we haven't had to deal with those yet? Oh, there's nothing here that we can make. I thought there was. Okay, what's this thing? Local radar. Oh, no, we're not doing the local radar. We're gonna do this one. How much power is this? 300 kilowatts. Oh my God. Radars. There we go. We'll just go down the list here. Pressure pump. Automated screener. Yes. We'll make one. Okay, so the screener. Oh, that's going to take a minute. All right. Oh, all this stuff here that is the alien stuff. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Yeah, so our next science pack, we're going to be heavily in here for the Raux or Vraux. Yeah, we got to do this thing right here. Oh, yeah. So we need a codec simple circuit. And I can't, I'm so scratching my head on this. I could have made this. Now, it doesn't matter because we didn't have the capacitor for it. Well, it's fine that I didn't make this because we didn't have the capacitor. And I didn't realize the printed circuit board was what we needed. I thought it was a circuit board. It's kind of, I just glanced at it so quickly there. Very interesting. Ah, what's this? Reformer. Oh, yeah. Petroleum distillates into high octane. Ooh, high octane liquid products. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Look at all this stuff. Oh, that's not too bad. Oh, I got to get small parts. Oh, here. This one. Ceramic titanium plate. Okay, let me grab some ceramic and titanium plate. 23. I'll take them. All right, here it is. The smelter. This will allow us to do beryllium, and then we can do this thing, which I don't know. We're gonna need it later probably. Okay. Oh, here it is. Holy moly! The size of that! Oh baby, more. Heavy oil, light oil, condensates. So this is how we'll get rid of our shale oil. And we'll get, some products out of it, which is good. So we'll have to figure out, we'll have to spend some time on that, or I'll look at it and try and come up with a plan. And, wow, that thing is huge. Oh, and here's the smelter. Oh my god! You're killing me. This has been changed, I think. It used to be, I think it used to be in an advanced smelter, or advanced, yeah, I think it's the advanced. So here, we could do this right now. Oh, we could do this right now. Oh yeah. Well, let's pull this. I have copper, I have aluminum. We can do inserters. Oh dear. Hold up a minute. Hold up a minute. Yeah. Good lord, this... Oh, no. Oh, fuel. Wait a minute. Oh. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, it's modules. Wait a minute. Where's the fuel? Is it... It's not that. It's... Oh my gosh. It's a, Let's see if shale oil works. I'll meet you over there. Okay, I guess I might have to go here. And then, go out there. I don't care about wasting a little bit of shale oil. We got so much. Bonk, bonk. Bonk. Okay, good. It seems to work. 5, 4. Okay, 2. Oh, come here, you. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. It's amazing. Oh, come here, you. Come here, you. You deserve to be powered up. Oh, my God. We have it. Wait, now what's 16 kilowatts? You know, hey. You know, these still have a place in my heart as well as we need them for these. We need these for these anyway. Oh, boy. Let's get rid of that. Put that there. And then, oh, I remember way back. These items here. Oh, wait. Down on the hotbar. It used to reflect only a stack, which was so funny how they did that. Kind of an oversight, you know. Let's put that there, I guess. And now it reflects how much you actually have in your inventory. So these are just hot links to your inventory. So you used to have to, I think you could grab it from here, but then you wouldn't know how many you had. So it would say 50, or it would say a stack, whatever the stack was, and you didn't know how many you had. And they changed that, and it was so much better. Really good work on that. Well, let's do this and that. Oh, wow, listen to that thing. Oh, that is cool, man. It's got the molten stuff there, and it's got the hot molten stream going in. That's one plate. That's one plate. The smoke is awesome. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. Look at that. Whoosh. It releases pressure, heat pressure. Oh, wow. Up here. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. Is that opening? No, there's like a little ladder system in here. And it's like... And then these things turn and release like fire. That's awesome. Hey, look at that. Oh, man. We're in a new era now. All right, so... Did we get that? Oh yeah, we got the screener here. I forgot to look at that. Here it is. So there it is. And boom, we got this. This is our next project. Our next project. All right, I'm gonna let this run here. We'll go over to a special little spot that I'm gonna take care of with our first splitter. Okay, this mess. Oh, hello there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put this right here. Yeah, we'll do that. And then we're gonna pull these up here. No, notice the amount of stone that we're getting from the jaw crushers. See that? And this is running, man. Look at that. Oh, and the you know where our power is going? It's those high pressure furnaces. That's where all that power is going. Let's pull up this mess. Oh God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I think what I'll do, we got 2 stone belts, which is nice to have. And we can do that. And then we're gonna prioritize the lower one. Oh, interesting. Yeah, oh, I could probably get rid of this buffer case here. So I'm gonna let this bleed out here. Well, actually, I gotta do that. And, I wonder. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute. Oh, gosh. What's going on here? Why did it stop? What? Why did it stop it? Maybe the, well, I guess I'll have to do this. Crap, get in there. Why'd the stone stop? I think I'm gonna run over and run the, landfill. So and then we'll go back over there. Okay, all I gotta do is just flip this belt, oops, that way, and feed it in. And then it goes and it feeds this one, which is gravel, and this one, which is landfill here. Oh, hello. We'll do that. I don't know. Where'd I get all that stone? Oh, I pulled up the undergrounds there. Okay. I'm gonna put that there. Stone brick. Oh, interesting. That doesn't even run. How is that? That's interesting. Mud. I guess I haven't gotten any tar? Oh, there it is. There it comes. Okay. I haven't got a brick out of this yet. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, I'm crushing it. That's why. I'm crushing it and sending it back. Okay. All right, so I'll let that run. I'll meet you back over to the the goofy little project we got going on here. This is so important to me. I'm telling you. Well, apparently I have a pain in the ash problem. Holy crap. Where is this coming from? Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, I went over to check on power, and I'm like, oh. So I have to expand. You know what I'm gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to make an ash separator over here because of this mess right here. I mean, this is a massive amount of ash, you know. I just thought, yeah, you know, hey, throw it over there. That's fine. Let it take care of it. Yeah, no. Okay, so that is a problem. All right, we'll have to handle that. So I remember that I was gonna have an ash separator for power and an ash separator for the base. Looks like we'll have to do that. I don't know what's going on with this. I think it's the power. Okay, yeah, look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so another thing, you know, on the list. So anyway, I'm gonna take care of this, and I just wanted to showcase that you get a lot of ash in this game. I mean, it's when you run that power, holy moly. Hey, check it out. I forgot to do this. Ready? Whoop. It's magic. It's magic. We have nanobots. Okay. So now, as we're walking around the base, they'll start to fix things. Well, I'm very careful when I'm flying around, you know, the base, but here's one. There it is. Wow, those are loud. What's going on with that? I don't remember them being that loud. That is insane. Whoa. Fix something else. Holy cripes. Okay. So, yeah, the ash is a massive problem right now. I don't know. I mean, there's really not much you can do about it except build more ash separators. Hopefully we'll get electric burners and stuff so we don't have to deal with this. Oh, here's loud noises. Loud noises! Alright, let's go over here. I'm waiting for this to bleed out still, so it's gonna be a while. Okay, what else do we have? Reformer. Did we look at everything we got that's new? Oh. We got the inserter. Wood processing. I got soil on me. We looked at the screener. Yeah, we looked at the reformer. That thing is nuts. Let's check this out here. Okay. Steam. More steam. Oh my god. Okay, we got that. That thing is so awesome looking. Smelter. We did that. Let's take another quick looky look through here. That's the lab. Nothing new there. Nothing new. I wouldn't doubt there's something here that I'm missing, but probably not. Maybe not. Plastic bars. I don't know why I haven't used this yet. Evaporator. Yeah, I don't know. I think that we need these for later on. Well, it's probably something we can make it, but we can't use it because we don't have the circuit board, is what I'm thinking. Oh, radar! Oh! I know where our power is shot, but you know what? We got to do this. Because I want to keep an eye on stuff. Wow, we actually got... Oh, no. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Oh, my God. Hey! Oh! Okay, that's so loud, I have to go away from it. It is loud. Radar! Okay, it's... Yeah. Well, there we go. But I'm not going to plop them down yet, because, you know. Okay, well, I think that's a good end to an episode there. We placed our radar, and, well, yeah, you know what? I really did want to put the stone to rest over here. Gosh darn it. Yeah, so, yeah, we'll end it when I set the splitter up. Well, no, yeah, we're fine. We got it set up. I just want to bleed that out, and it's going to take a long time, so let's end it here. Yes! We have things. We have the new things. Now, okay, so I'm going to be working on power off screen, trying to beef that up just so we can get through this time here, because we're going to have to build even more going forward. We're going to have the alien life stuff. We're going to have to do the Vrauks. And so, well, the next project is that science pack. Where, you know what? Where is that thing at? Here, this one. Yeah, so glassware. And we need the Vrauks for the stopper. And I think I did look at this, or maybe I didn't. I think I was looking at it in my streaming series, so yeah. Okay, so I'll work on power. We got to get the Vrauks going, get the stopper, glassware, and that substrate, and then we can, it's going to be a whole nother thing. So yeah, power, so we can do that. But then we now have nice things though. So as soon as this calms down, the power should pop back up, and then that ash will process. And I'll have to think about maybe doing another ash processing down here. Or beefing up the... Oh, you know what? We got splitters now. So I can actually do a proper lane balancer. And... Man, it is loud. Maybe funneling... Well, yeah. So power... I'm going to take power and do a proper, you know, balancing system there. And then anything from... And, yeah, I think mining and power, maybe? And then we've got this mess, and we've got some stuff over here. And then, yeah, I'll just set it up, you know. Because, yeah, this isn't able to eat the ash, you know. Cool. All right. Woo! Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out. Stay safe out there.